Governor Tony Evers ordered flags at half-staff tomorrow to honor a registered nurse who died in a crash last week. Tricia Ploessl worked as a nurse clinician at the Wisconsin DHS. Governor Evers also shared his deepest condolences with her family, including her husband and kids. Madison police say another woman hit her in a parking lot last Friday while Ploessl was getting into her car. She died from her injuries the next day.